Hey guys, Jacob Molina here with ProVolumes, and today we are going to be putting in volume inserts. So volume inserts go in the holes that we drilled, and they are wonderful. So normally without them you typically have just screws going into wood, and those screws just eat that wood up. So what the volume inserts do is act as a washer and extend the life of your volumes. And we're going to show you how we put them in, and what we're going to need is some wood glue, and we're using Titebond. We're going to use a hammer, and what we have here is just a little makeshift shiv to go ahead and hit these in. What Escape suggests is using the T25 bit, and we just found this a little easier. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and stick 2 drops of glue on this, and then put it in the hole that we've already pre-drilled and smack it in. So let's get to it. Alright, so we went ahead and dropped some wood glue on there. We're going to stick it in our hole, and got our little makeshift and got the hammer here. What we're going to do is just a few smacks until it's flush, and then you'll be good. And we try to get all that extra wood glue that comes out, just try to wipe it off to make sure it looks clean. So alright, there's a good one right there. And one thing when you're drilling these holes is you want to make sure they are deep enough. So what we typically do is we get our little volume insert and make sure it will sit flush. So we're going to go ahead and do the rest of these and then show you the final product. We have got all of our inserts inserted, and we are good. So this volume is now complete and ready to stick on the wall. If there is some things that you could do to further add to it. So if you wanted to, you can go and take a paintbrush and just paint that little extra bit that you can see. So that wood that was from the holes, you can go ahead and paint that, and that'll give it a little bit more professional look, and that's something that we like to do. And next, another thing you can do is you can go ahead and paint the inside as well. Usually we'll just take some spray paint and spray paint it black just to give it that nice clean look, and instead of having all that ugliness inside. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you learned something, subscribe. We will have links to the volume inserts so you guys can get those yourself and get those for your volumes. Like I said, they do extend the life of your volumes. I don't know how many blowouts the volumes that we've used had in the past, and these have minimized that so much, and they're awesome. So thank you guys. Please check out the website where we have plans and all the information that you need. So thank you.